Welcome back to another video, guys. So in this video I'll be showing you how I do that nail design. So first we start off with the prep work. So I bought this tapered bit, diamond bit, not a carbide bit, that does well for the cuticle area. So I've been using it very often these days. So you can get it on Amazon, that's where I bought it. Tapered diamond bit for the cuticles. So as usual, I'll be showing 5 nails. So you can check out my social media page on Instagram with Essential Nails as well. And go follow, guys. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you are notified when I upload a new video. So we applied our tips. Now we are blending our tips with the natural nail and shaping as we go along. So continue watching. After priming the nails, we're applying our acrylic. I'm using Young Nails Cover Peach acrylic because she gave me a picture of what she wanted, and that's the shade I think I have. That's the closest to it. If not, it's the same shade. So we are applying our acrylic to all the fingers. tapered core bite bit now to help it take down and to seal the cuticle area, to help prevent lifting and a little shaping as well as we go along. So I bought this one too on Amazon. I think the brand is Pana for this one. The other one I'm not so sure. I think it's Pana tapered core bite bit. Yeah, I like it as well so far. I'm liking it. So you can check it out on Amazon. Now we get into my routine shaping, which is with my hand file to clean up whatever any bumps, lumps that we want to check out. So guys, shaping is important. I'm not being this rough, guys. The video is just sped up. Alright, to smoothen the bumps and lumps. I might get my client to wash her hands, and then we start our nail art. Different shades of blue with a hint of white in it. This is the easy part. The design is the easiest and the quickest thing to do. So don't forget to subscribe, guys. Hit that subscribe button and get notified whenever I post a new video, guys. I'm applying my top coat to seal in the design and then cure for 90 seconds. So thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you subscribe and hit that bell to be notified, and you continue to check in. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.